welcome you, everyone. And this is what we're going to go up for our exciting game matchups. Starting advance in our quarterfinals for our Akut Bicol Camarines Sur. For our game tonight, we will be having the San Jose versus Steve For the starters, let's first start with the San Jose. For the point guard, number 9, Ruben Ostrato. Shooting guard, number 7, Allen Fonsique. Small forward, number 18, Vichy Sanchez. All forward, number 25, James Solero. And the man in the center, number 27, Michael Villapi. Head coach Ruben Ostrato. And for the starters, for Team Goa, we have for the point guard, number 5, Christopher Plaza. For the shooting guard, number 7, Michael Pai. For the shooting guard, number 9, Rafael Vivares. For the power forward, number 4, Mark Lugo. And the center, number 23, Wally Kadir. Head coach, Anthony Dixon. And officials for this whole game are Virgie, Ronnie Maledicta. Number 1, Jomar Ho, and number 2, Edward Brown. This is your Akut Bicol Camarines Sur, Atito!
And magandang gabi mga kasurog. Welcome basketball fans. Andito tayo sa ating Sunday special, ang labanan San Jose and the home team of Goa battling out para sa ating second round of eliminations. Winner ay mapupunta sa ating second round. And magandang gabi. The name is John Bachiller. With me is
Angelo Espinosilia.
and magandang gabi sa iyo partner. It's gonna be a good matchup for tonight's game.
Tama partner, no? Let's see who will emerge victorious and will join Sangay in the next round.
Yes, partner. And unang basket napunta sa ating mga taka-light jerseys, especially yung ang San Jose donning the light jerseys, and yung naka-violet, sila ang mga taga-Goa.
And yan, trying a second attempt. Pero I think wala. Grabe ang man-to-man defense nito ng mga naka-gray ng Team San Jose.
Yes, that was a good defense, sabi mo nga. And syempre, ayan na, the usual suspects para sa mga taga San Jose is this bulky point guard na si Postrado, who's been siguro a veteran of so many wars, lalong-lalo na here sa San Jose.
Tama, I came, I saw, and I conquered. Ito na nga, ang sinasabi mo, Sir Jan, attacking.
Yes, again, 2 points, under goal stab para sa number 27 na si Pilapil Michael.
And that's a 2-0 run. Ano kaya ang gagawin dito ng Goa para makapuntos?
Ayan na si Vivares with a fall-away. Mintis. Rebound.
Still unlucky, partner.
Yes. Ayan na. Sanchez gives the ball to Postrado.
The crowd is quiet.
Yes.
For this first 3 run.
Kasi hindi pa nakakascore. Ayan na, Pilapil again. Open for 3. Misses the shot. Rebound.
An opportunity. 3 against 3.
Yes, natawagan ng traveling infraction. Si Plaza. Another turnover on the part of Goa.
Galing na itong bulky player. No player na. Siya pa yung tumatawag ng call.
Yes, na Postrado. Ginugulo ni Plaza.
Grabe talaga.
Yes.
Utilizing his body.
Yes, tama. Sanchez against Vivares attacking. Kaso nahuli ni Rico. Ayan na si Plaza. But Postrado commits a foul.
That was a good foul, Sir John.
Yes, tama. As
fast break.
As early as first quarter. And
we would like to acknowledge, of course, the presence of the Councilor of Goa, councilors Michael Pan and Pinky Avila. Happy viewing po sa inyo. We also have the LGU, the mayor of Goa, Marcel Pan. Happy viewing po, Honorable Marcel Pan.
Magandang gabi po. Salamat po sa manonood at pagsuporta sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. And on that sequence, nabitawan ni Michael Pan ng bola pero napatalbog na and ball will remain sa mga naka-violet.
Full support ang mga honorables natin from Goa. Nagvi-video pa si Madam. Tingnan
Yes.
natin kung makakapuntos sa ball possession na ito ang Goa.
Yes, as you can see, Vivares inbounding the ball. Meron silang set play, gives to Michael Pan. Fakes for 3, attacking, reverse. Mintes, rebound by Pilapil.
$1 million play, no, but didn't count. Sayang.
Yeah, Postrado gives the ball to Sanchez. Sanchez looking for his teammates. Postrado.
Back again to the man of action. But the whistle was blown there.
Yes, there is a foul again si Plaza. Enzo Postrado as early as first quarter talaga nagigirean na sila.
Tama.
Tama nga naman, this is a do or die game. So talaga you have to give your hands out na as early as today.
Kumbaga hands-on na hands-on ito si Postrado.
Yes, despite yan na siya. Number 7. Deflected Postrado for 3. In and out, rebound by Kadir. Ayan na si Vivares. Rushing, flies, drops it up to Plaza. Pero nakakita ng foul ang ating magigiting na referees. Si number 18, si Sanchez. And much to the delight of the crowd, nung nakita nila, dalawang personal foul na si Postrado.
Mukhang the man will be going out soon. No, eto na nga.
Ayan na, pinalitan na siya.
Pinalitan na agad.
A new player from San Jose who hails from Albay na si Nagar. Ayan na si Michael Pan.
Ayan, tingnan natin kung may pagbabago.
Yes. Ayan na Vivares against Sanchez. Vivares, long 3. No good.
Wala pa rin.
Hindi pa nakakabutas ng puntos ang mga taga-Goa. Ayan na si Nagar against Plaza.
Knowing that this is their court, no?
Yes.
Pero medyo nahihirapan pa sila. And a reverse layup, Sir Jan, pero
Mintes.
missed.
Ayan na si Pan. Gives the ball to Plaza. Outlets to number 9. Vivar fakes, attacks, scores.
Napakagandang
No good.
atake.
Ayan na Plaza again with a teardrop. No good again. Medyo maalat. Ayan na si Pilapil with the defensive rebound.
Ginamit na nga ang board, wala pa rin.
Ayan na
San
si
Jose.
Pasibe. Outlets to Nagar. Waits for his teammates. Nagar. Natawagan
Ng offensive
ng
foul.
offensive foul. Grabe partner, as early as first quarter talagang kita ng laban with 7 minutes and 1 second remaining. Meron pa lang tayong 4-0 ang score.
Because the teams from different district, Sir Jan, no, are waiting for
Yes.
one of these teams. So sino kaya?
Michael Pan kicks it out to Vivares. Short jumper. Makes it.
And that's the...
That's it. That's the first point ng mga taga-Goa.
Makita mo partner, no, the crowd goes wild after seeing that shot by Vivares.
Tama ka. And unti-unti pa may pumapasok sa ating game venue. And si Nagar makes his first attempt but Mintes. Ayan na si Vivares. Again sa Pilapil. Vivares harassed by 2. Vivares swings, reverse, block, and
Grabe, against all odds naman ito si Vivares.
yes, kumbaga good defense on the part of Sanchez and Solero. After that missed layup, natawagan ng foul si Vivares and ang bola mapupunta sa mga taga San Jose.
Yeah, I think Vivares gained the confidence there, no, after making the shot. So he tried to do it all on his own.
Yes, ayan na si Nagar against the pesky defender na si Plaza.
Grabe, binabantayan nila before crossing the half court.
Yes, ayan na si Pilapil. Solero gives the ball to number.
Gandang pasa!
Good recognition on the part of number 25 na si James Solero.
That shot is brought to you by Missibis Bay.
Ay, pakapunta ka na dyan, partner, sa Missibis.
Hindi pa partner.
Si mga bossing ng bala sa dyan, si Plaza for 3.
Sana.
Misses the shot.
Wag
Ayan,
bilang,
nakakuha.
Henry, sir.
Nabitawan ng bola ni number 4 na si Rico. And another turnover on the part of Goa.
Alright, grabe ang pressure na binibigay dito ng Goa in terms of defense. Pero medyo maalat sila sa opensa.
Yes, ayan na si Solero pointing to his teammates. Ayan na si Pasibe. Fakes for 3. Pasibe attacks with the floater. No good. Rebound ni Solero with a short jumper. Mintis pa din. And Pilapil saves the ball. Nakuha pa rin ng mga taga San Jose. Ayan na Pasibe for 3. In and out. Ayan na si Kadir with the offensive rebound. Gives the ball to Rico. Binigay kay Plaza against Pasibe. Rico with the pump. Wala. Nagar.
Mukhang talo sa size at sa height ang Goa ngayon.
Ayan na Soler. Kicks it out. Kaso tumama sa ring. Michael Pan. Kadir gives the ball to Rico.
2 against 1.
Vivares with the easy 2.
Vivares.
Ayan na ang sixth man ng mga taga-Goa. Yung crowd nila. Yan si Pasibe with the long 3. Irons it. Rebound again by Pasibe. Pasibe.
Pero grabe ang offensive rebound ng San Jose kanina
Solero.
pa. No, 2 or 3 offensive rebounds.
Partner. Medyo napansin mo talaga yung San Jose talaga medyo na sa mga 50-50 balls. Medyo talaga ang swerte sila.
Oo. Grabe din ang hassle. I think kailangan ng mga quick fast break ng
Tama.
Goa.
Ayan na si James Solero sa ating charity stripe. Na-foul siya doon sa kanyang atake. And tingnan natin kung mabubuslo niya ang kanyang first free throw. Solero misses the first one. Tingnan mo partner talaga yung crowd. Good size crowd sa Goa.
Grabe, very supportive.
Yes, oo. And na kung... And ayan na, Solero misses both free throws. And syempre, partner kung... may oras kayo, punta kayo sa ating game venue. It's for free, partner. Free to.
Tama.
Walang bayad to. And syempre, kung hindi naman sila makakapunta, meron tayong mga social media platforms. Pwede tayo manood sa Facebook channel natin. Facebook page. Yan na si Pasibe. Open for 3. Kaboom!
Napakagandang tira. The 3-point shot is brought to you by Hotel St. Elis.
Kung hindi sila...
Dagdag ko lang, Sir Jan, no? Meron din tayong truck outside.
Ay, oo,
no?
meron. Tama yung LED truck
LED
natin.
truck.
Pag napuno ng ating venue, pwede sila manood doon.
Ganyan ka-generous.
Yes,
ang
oo.
ako Bicol.
Yan, Kadir with the short stop. Yan na, nakabutas na kanila ang guest player na si Kadir sa gitna with the short stop. Yan na si Nagar against Plaza.
They're now gaining their momentum. Pero syempre, San Jose still pressing.
Nagar gives the ball to Solero. Solero, top of the key, 3. In and out. Rebound ni Vivares. Vivares, 3 against 3. Vivares attacks. Kicks it out to Michael Pan. Pan attacking. Fakes. Vivares for 3. Short. Rebound ni Nagar. Nagar is rushing. Nagar with the Euro. And the 2 points.
Yan. Parang andun yung crowd ng San Jose.
Yes, ayan na. Plaza.
Small but loud.
This is the point blank layup. And na si Nagar hesitates. Kicks the ball, gives the ball to number 1. Na si Christopher Nash.
Napakagandang pasa pero hindi nakuha.
Vivares attacks. Kicks it out to Pan. Michael Pan. Plaza fakes. Gives it out to Rico. Open for layup but misses the shot. Rico gives the ball to Vivares. Mintis again. And grabe yung sequence na yun, partner.
Grabe.
Medyo maalat ang Goa.
Tama, many attempts pero wala talaga. Mukhang nape-pressure siguro no, ng crowd. Pero later, maybe when they get their momentum, they will turn this crowd into their advantage.
And yun na, napatawag ng early timeout ang San Jose. Siguro, they will give instructions or adjustments sa mga nakaraang play. Tingnan natin, ayan yung napakagandang layup ni Vivares. And syempre kanina, naputol yung sinabi ko, partner, kung hindi sila makakapunta sa ating game venue, meron tayo ang Facebook page, yung Congress Group pa. And we are back sa ating first quarter, pare. As early as first quarter, gandang laro na 6-11. Lamang pa rin ang mga taga San Jose.
Tama. At makita mo yung good defense on both sides, no? Kasi they've consumed 7 minutes pero 2-digit pa lang yung score ng isang team at ang isang digit pa lamang.
Yes, ayan na si Nagar for 3. Step back, kaboom!
What a shot! By Nagar. Parang utilizing the new player for San Jose.
Yes, there is a new guy for Goa. And Vivares. Ginante ang 3 points. Ayan na, there is a new guy para sa mga naka-violet.
That shot was brought to you by Highlands.
Yes, si Karurukan. Pinasok na.
Ito ulit si Vivares.
Ayan na, Karurukan gives the ball to Karurukan. Open, corner 3. Kaboom!
Nothing but net! Mukhang napakagandang epekto ng timeout on the side of Goa.
Yes,
instead of San Jose.
Ayan na, Solero against Karurukan. Nagar against the much taller Vivares. Ayan na Pilapil. Pilapil powering his way. Grabe naman yung galaw na yun, pero misses the shot. Ayan na. Si number 24, si Brian Losada. Bagong pasok, and meron din tayo si number 1 na si Christopher Nash, kakapasok lang. Ayan na, another substitution for Goa. Si number 13, pinasok na. Si Ronaldo Padua.
So many substitution kasi contact talaga yung laro. First quarter pa lang. Usually nakikita mo to pag fourth quarter, Sir Zan. Pero ngayon, grabe, parang man-to-man defense agad on the first period of the match.
Yes, ayan na si Romero. Gives the ball to Vivares. Vivares for long three. Kaboom!
Grabe!
Vivares!
Ilabas niyo na mga payong nyo. Umuulan ng tres. Both sa Goa at sa San Jose.
Ayan na si Nagar against Vivares. Nagar attacking. Nagar fakes. Fall away. No good. Rebound. Ayan si Nagar again. Open for three. Kaboom!
And here we go! Sumasabay sa bagyo, papalapit sa Pilipinas ang pagulan ng tres. Sir John, grabe.
Grabe, this is an exciting ball game. Kaya kung meron pa kayong oras, punta na kayo dito. Karurukan, top of the key tray. In and out, rebound ng mga taga San Jose. Ayan na.
There's a scramble. And a held ball was called. Grabe,
Yes,
grabe hassle.
Agrivante and Losada. Diving for the loose ball. Ganun naman talaga pag do or die game. Talaga buhos na. Kumbaga, this is a win or go home situation para sa both teams.
Tama, parang ito yung local game ng Celtics versus Heat.
Yes,
Game
kanina.
7.
Ayan na, Lozada. Nakapulot ng basura. And sinks the undergoal stab. Ayan na si Nagar against Vivares.
And that's the first deadlock of the game. Without realizing it, tabla na. Yung kaninang lamang na San Jose.
Ayan na si Nagar taking over sa first quarter pa lang. He is a new addition para sa team San Jose, partner.
And it pays off, partner.
Vivares misses the shot pero nakuha.
San Jose once again with an opportunity to
Ayan na si Nagar.
widen the lead. And that's an obvious offensive foul. Napakagandang tawag.
Yes, naabangan siya doon, ni Karurukan. Nakatayo at natawagan ng magigiting na referees natin. By the way, completing San Jose is number 19 na si Santos, Agravante, Solero, Nagar, and Pino. Ang mga dark jerseys naman si Karurukan, Padua, Romero, Vivares, and Losada. Ayan na si Vivares, gives the ball to Padua. Padua, triple team.
Padua is a former player of NCF.
Romero, air ball. Padua, fakes. Nakuha ni Romero.
With a 5 seconds remaining.
Ayan na si Karurukan, attacks, swings the ball. Padua struggles to get the ball.
And that's a 24-second shot clock violation, partner.
Good defense on the part of San Jose. Grabe, every loose balls, every 50-50 balls, tendo ng mga taga San Jose.
Tama. Let's see if they can turn this 7-second ball possession into a point.
Yes, with 6 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Di ko alam kung aware si Nagar sa oras. With 1 second remaining, hindi niya alam.
Hindi niya alam. Pero alam ng kakampi niya, kaya naitapon.
And that ends our first quarter with the score of 17-19. Lamang na ang mga taga-Goa. Thoughts on the first quarter, partner?
Napakagandang laro, partner. No? Indeed, they are showing that they are the giants in the 4th district. Makita mo naman, no? I think last Friday, they fought with each other at nanalo ang Goa. Goa ba, partner?
Tama. Ang Goa. Nanalong Goa
ngayon,
to force a do-or-die game.
And San Jose is showing their dominance by taking their lead at the very first start of the quarter. Pero medyo hinabol agad ni Goa when they found their momentum. I think the Goa need to strengthen their defense kasi natatalo sila sa offensive rebounds. No? Madaming opportunity kanina yung nakuha ng San Jose. And I think commendable din yung additional player nila na si Nagar.
Yes, tama nga, partner. Kumbaga, very as early as now, nararamdaman kagad yung addition ng isang Nagar sa team San Jose.
Tama, pero double-edged sword din yun, Sir Zan. Kasi Friday, wala pa si Nagar. Tama.
Yes, tama, wala pa.
A day before lang sila nag-practice. So
Yes.
either it would make or break the team.
Pero I know this guy naman. This guy is very reliable. He hails from Albay and he is a product of Santo Domingo National High School, and meron tayong mga leading scorers sa ating first quarter. Para sa Team Goa, si Vivares with 13 points, 1 rebound and 2 assists. Para naman sa mga taga-Goa.
Para sa mga San Jose, Sir Jan.
San Jose, rather.
And as we were speaking, Nagar gaining 10 points on the first quarter and Sanchez with 4 points.
Grabe, partner. 10 huge points agad sa first quarter. Ayan na si Nagar.
Grabe, nakakreate agad siya ng good chemistry with his team. Kaya dino-double team na siya ngayon. Napakagandang instruction ng coach during the end of the first quarter.
Solero was blocked. Ayan na si Karurukan.
So I think from now on, i-double team nila.
Karurukan.
Si Nagar, magba-box and 1 sila ngayon. Sir Jan.
Scores for 2. Grabe. Very calm ang player na si Karurukan. Attacking the basket ng walang kaaling-aling. Talagang relax na relax. Ayan na si Nagar.
And that's the second deadlock of this game. Ayan na nga, heavily guarded na si Nagar. Triple team pa nga!
And nakakuha ng foul si Nagar. Good defense, but the last minute natawagan ng foul. Si number 1 na si Marcel Romero, who is also a pesky guard.
Ayan, medyo mahirapan na makabuelo dito si Nagar kasi yun na nga yung diskarte ng Team Goa. I-double team siya. For a quick fast break and a nice behind the back pass.
Grabe. Ilista mo na sa top 10 plays of the week natin yung pasa ni Michael Pan papunta sa number 13 na si Goa. Ay si Padua.
Pass is brought to you by Misinis Bay kag Roray Island. Napakagandang pasa. And Sir Jan, that's the first ball possession, first advantage rather of Goa.
Oo.
After 11 minutes.
Yes, ayan na. Lozada with the offensive rebound. Michael Pan for 3. Come on!
And makita mo yung crowd. Pumapalakpak na kaninang nananahimik. That is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise.
Grabe, much to the delight of the fans na nakashoot ang kanilang konsi.
Tama.
Na si Michael Pan.
Counselor pala.
Yes, oo. Ayan na
Grabe
si
talaga. Mga bigatin ng ating mga players.
number 11.
And a revenge three-pointer. No luck this time.
Ayan na si Karurukan. Advances the ball to Padua. Padua against Sanchez. Ayan na si Karurukan. Gives the ball to Lozada.
No luck this time. Running like a wind against 2. Grabe, coast to coast.
Ayan na, medyo meron tayong injury. Si Sanchez. Tinamaan.
Grabe kasi, ka-intense ang laban na ito. So, hindi talaga may iwasan ng mga aksidente inside the court.
Yes, ayan na. Medyo si number 18 Sanchez, medyo may dugo na nakita during the last sequence. Medyo nagkagirian, nagkatamaan sila. Hindi natin alam kung ano magiging hatol ng mga referees, pero tingnan natin. And we are now sa ating second quarter with 8 minutes and 23 seconds. Lamang ang Goa, 24-21.
Yan, 3 points lead no, after struggling to gain advantage against San Jose in the first period. So yan, shoutout lang ulit natin si Ako Bicol at Congressman Saldico, no? Kasi meron tayong automatic na first aid team. Inaalagaan talaga mga players natin.
Oo, para sa ating first district, nakapasok na ang Lupi and Del Gallego sa second district, San Fernando and Milaor.
Sa third district naman, we have Naga and Kamaligan. And sa fifth, Iriga and Nabwa. So waiting na lang tayo sa last team, Sir Jan.
Yes, after that last sequence, nagkaroon tayo ng layup na galing kay Pasibe. Ayan na si Pan, open for 3 again. Mintes, rebound ng mga naka-light jerseys. Ayan na si number 19.
Grabe ang trap nila.
Oo.
I think their Goa is utilizing their deep bench kasi madami silang players, so it's okay to foul in the early basta malakas yung depensa kasi madaming pampalit.
Pasibe again for 3. Kabong!
Grabe naman yun! That is brought to you by Hotel Venetia. Kanina pa to.
Ayan na si Karurukan against Pasibe. May pick galing kay Padua. Karurukan operating. Karurukan kicks the ball to Lozada. Open for top of the key 3. Mintes. Nagar with the rebound. Ayan na si Nagar against Plaza. Nagar
Against 2.
squeezes for 2.
Grabe naman
Grabe.
yun! Parang horizontal shot!
Ayan na si Karurukan against Pasibe. Karurukan nakakuha ng foul kay Pasibe.
Walang kapa pero lumilipad si Nagar.
Tama. Ayan na si Karurukan. Napakagandang pag-fish ng foul niya. Nakakuha siya ng foul sa ating police officer na si Alan Pasibe. Magigiting na pulis na naglalaro sa ating liga. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat.
Yeah, thank you for keeping us safe.
Tama, especially batiin ko na rin ang mga kaibigan na nasa PNP service na si Eduardo Red Jr. na aking kumpare, and syempre yung isa sa mga alamat ng basketball, Legazpi City, si Sir Chaggy Arienda. Magandang gabi sa iyo mga sirs.
Yeah, shout out po sa inyo sirs and happy viewing kung nanonood po kayo ngayon sa matinding bakbakan ng Goa at San Jose.
Yes, ayan na si Nagar against Vibares, heavily guarded. Ayan na, Nagar, may pick galing kay Solero. And
I think
natawagan ng offensive foul si Solero, pero hindi niya nagustuhan ang tawag.
yeah, and then
Kaya,
I think they are calling for a review.
Yes, they are calling for a review. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging hatol ng ating magigiting na referees, kasi si Solero talaga hindi niya gusto.
Yeah, he was very frustrated after that
nakitawag.
call. And I think this is, again, one of the perks of being a player in a Bicol Cup. You have an instant replay system brought to you by, of course, the IMBC.
Oo, IMBC, syempre, headed by Christian Calleja. Ayan na, what a block! Ayan na, si John Santos. 3 against 2. Santos with flies. Scores
Grabe.
for 2!
Napakabilis!
Oo.
Like a wind.
Ayan na si Plaza, Kararukan. 4-3. In and out. Rebound by Solero. Gives the ball to Pasibe. Pasibe, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Kararukan.
Quick shot, pero medyo minintis. Nabitin ng konti.
Kararukan swings the ball to Plaza. 4-3. Kaboom!
Grabe naman talaga. That shot is brought to you by Highlands.
Ayan na. John Santos binigay kay Solero ang bola. Nagar. Momentarily open, kaso nandiyan kaagad si Vibares. Nagar gives the ball to Santos. Mintes yung tira. And ayan na si Kararukan. 2 against 3. Kararukan attacks. Kararukan with a lefty layup. Mintes. Nagar.
That was too ambitious.
Yes, ayan na si Nagar. In and out dribble. Spin. Forcing the issue. Good defense on the part of Goa. Medyo namintis yun. Ayan si Losada. Struggling to get the ball. Pero nakuha ni Santos. Ayan na. 3 against 2. Nagar open for 3. And attacks the basket. Bumps. And there is a contact. And Nagar will troop to the line for 2.
Napakagandang atake yun ni Vibar, no? Some would think, bakit hindi niya tinira? He saw an open opportunity. Plus, he fouled out one of the active players for Goa.
And kumbaga, nakakuha siya ng magagintong foul. Kumbaga, that is
si Vibares
Vibares. Oo. And a substitution para sa Goa. Linabas si Losada. Pinasok si Abraham Nidwasa, who will add a power sa ilalim because of his offensive rebounds. Yan si Nagar. Misses the first free throw. And again, if you're free, come and join us here sa ating venue to witness yung do or die game natin. Sunday special do or die game na San Jose versus the home team Goa.
Tama, may mga bakanteng upuan pa po. At kung hindi naman, you can watch us on our FB and YouTube channel. No? Ako, Bicol Cup, Congressman Saldico, at ako, YouTube channel. Ako, Bicol Cup
Pasibe.
channel.
All alone for 2. Ayan na si Plaza. Gives the ball to Kararukan. Against Santos, double team. Plaza. Against Santos. Swings the ball to Vibares. 4-3. Kaboom!
Grabe naman talaga. And I wonder bakit hindi pa nagmaman to man ito itong both teams, no, sa mga 3-pointers kay Vibares at kay Nagar para hindi sila makabuelo ng 3 points.
Yan na si Nagar. Oh, what a hesitation! And the layup kasuminti. Solero grabs the offensive rebound and he was fouled. Grabe partner itong si James Solero, who is a do-it-all guy para sa San Jose, grabbing those rebounds and crashing those for the loose balls.
Tama. Plus, of course, no, gaining fouls in his attacks.
Yes. And meron din tayong substitution. Binalik si number 4 na si Mark Rico. And linabas si Kararukan with 4 minutes and 51 seconds. This is a very close ball game. Lamang pa rin ang San Jose ng dalawa, 31-33.
And yan, this is a seesaw match, no? Kasi kanina there was an opportunity for Goa to take an advantage. So do or die game talaga. The winner will join Sangay in the next round. So ito na lang yung inaantay na laro para sa susunod na round ng Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur.
Yes, yan na si Solero with the second free throw, makes the second one. And San Jose is now up by 4 with 4 minutes remaining sa ating laro. Yan na si Rico. Swings the ball to Plaza. Plaza with the floater. No good. Rebound. Number 27 was called for pushing. Na tinulak niya ang number 23 si Kadir.
And that's another opportunity for Goa to lessen the lead. With 14 seconds on the clock. What a nice pass inside.
Grabe, ay knockout play para sa Team Goa. Medyo nakatulog ng konti ang mga taga San Jose. Nagar stops and pops for 3. Mentes.
Napagandang technique dito no, ng Goa. Shooting in and out. Kaya di mo
Rico.
talaga alam kung kanino ipapasa yung bola. And
Vibares.
even Vibar.
Kadir.
Vibares to Kadir. And with that, tabla na.
Yes, we are now
Partner.
deadlocked.
Grabe talaga.
Pasibe for 3. No good. Rebound by Vibares. Vibares will attack. Vibares. Muntik na matapikan. Vibares with the Euro. Kicks it out to Plaza. For 3. No good. Ayan na si Pilapil. Outlets to Pasibe.
That's 2 against 1.
What a shot by Pasibe.
Grabe naman to. Small but terrible. Pasibe.
Yes, kulang sa height pero all heart ang ating police officer na si Alan Pasibe. Ayan na si Solero. Outlets the ball to Pasibe. Soler, Pasibe again. Attacks for scores. 4-2.
Back-to-back points and that requires a timeout.
Grabe naman. Si Pasibe.
Yan, kailangan talagang sipagan ng Goa sa rebound. Both on the defensive and offensive rebound. Kasi wala silang other opportunity so they have to secure the shot every time.
Ayan na nga, tama ka dyan. Good observation dyan. And then yun na nga, talagang after that defensive rebound na nakuha nila, talagang ina-outlet pass kagad nila sa mga bibilis na guards ng San Jose na si Pasibe and si Nagar.
Tama, grabe ang press nila dito pa lang sa first half ng laro. And knowing that Sarzan, sabi mo, police ito, parang hindi ito maubusan ng energy until the fourth quarter.
Tama. And again, we are now sa ating 3-minute mark ng ating laro at second quarter. And paunti-unting may pumapasok pa, partner. Grabe.
Oo, kahit magsiksikan, basta masuportahan lamang ang kanilang munisipyo. So again, thank you to the municipality of Goa for allowing us to be here and bring to you the game. So thank you so much once again sa Ako Bicol Cup at kay Congressman Saldico. If you cannot watch the basketball in the court, no, we will bring it to you. So again, no, sa mga kaka-tune in lang sa ating laro, you are watching the do or die match ng San Jose versus Goa. We are only waiting for one team to join us in the next round. So, kompleto na. Sa first district, meron tayong Lupi at Del Gallego. Second district, may San Fernando at Milaor. Sa third district, may Naga at Kamaligan. Sa fifth, Iriga and Dabua. Sa fourth, waiting na lang si Sangay kung sino ang makakasama nila.
Yun, partner, sigurado, come second round, talagang pukpukan ang labanan dyan. And those top 10 teams ng ating mga district talaga will showcase their talent sa kanilang second round.
Tama yan, yung kaabang-abang. No? Bawat laro is indeed a war.
Yes. And again, sa ating mga late shooters, ang violet jerseys, ang Team Goa, and yung gray jerseys naman, yung mga taga San Jose. And again, ako po si John Bachiller. With me is
Angelo Espinosilia. At live na live po tayo dito sa Goa Sports Complex.
yes, nandito kami para ihatid ang mga live games. Ayan na si Nagar. Nagar stops.
Di mo alam kung anong gagawin nito ni Nagar. Magti 3-point o aatake.
Yes, ayan na si Santos. May pick. Santos stops for pops for 2. Mintis. Ayan na. Niduasa with the rebound. Ayan na.
Goa, sila na naman yung naghahabol.
Yes, yan na si Romero. Vibares. Ayan na. Kadir. With that teardrop.
Napakagandang use of height.
Tama. Kumbaga, he's utilizing yung tangkad niya. Tapos teardrop pa yung tira niya. Ayan na si Nagar for 3. Kaboom!
Grabe! Parang hindi papaawat ang kamay nito ni Nagar. In and out.
He is waxing nga talaga sa ating first half. Ayan na si Vibares. No challenge para kay Sulte. Yan na. Nakuha pa rin ni Vivares ang bola. Vivares against Alan Pasibe. Vivares squeaks. Binigay kay Nedwasa.
Grabing court awareness yun.
Kumbaga,
Kahit may
finding his open teammate na si Nedwasa.
Tama, kahit may nakaharang na dalawang giant sa harap mo. Nakita
Yes.
niya pa rin yun.
Ayan na si Nagar. Hands it up to Pasibe for 3. In and out. Rebound by Michael Pan. Ayan na si Pan. Gives the ball to Vivares. Pan attacking. Drops it up to Nedwasa with a reverse. And
A foul was called.
a foul was called. And Nedwasa pupunta sa ating charity stripe. Good strong attack para sa kay Nedwasa. Baga quality minutes habang kakapasok lang talaga nagde-deliver kagad sa Goa.
Tama, and napaka-importante dito yung foul trouble nung makagawa ka plus an opportunity to make a shot. Kasi ang nasa loob, no, I think are one of the, if not the best players and shooters of Team San Jose.
Yes.
So dropping one of them is an advantage on the latter part of the game.
Tama. Ayan na si Nedwasa.
Grabe, sariling kayod
Oo. Grabe.
plus a foul.
Oo.
Sir Jan, grabe.
Nakakuha
Sulit
na.
na sulit. Nasabi
Oo.
mo nga.
Ayan na, meron tayong timeout ulit sa galing sa Goa. I guess si coach nakakita ng pagkakataon magbigay ng instruction sa kanyang mga players. And sa San Jose naman is talaga may play coach sila na si Postrado will give instructions kasi they are down by 2.
Oo, at si Postrado hindi pa makapasok. No, kasi the idea, no, para sa mga foul, narinig ko lang din sa mga coaches, hindi dapat lamang yung foul mo sa number of period.
Oo, tama.
Kumbaga, sa first quarter, nakadalawa ka na agad. Pahinga ka muna, bata.
Oo, tama. Ganun talaga. Tama ka dyan. And siyempre, maganda rin ang nilalaro ni Nagar and ni Pasibe. Kaya limited ang minutes si Postrado sa ating laro.
And yan, tingnan natin, no, kung yung dalawang shots na ibibigay kay ni Dwaza, no, makakapag-create ng tabla. Kay number 9 pala. Ibibigay kay Vivares.
Hindi, they're not in the penalty. Right now, that is not in the active
sorry.
shooting, kaya hindi in-award yung kanya. Yan na si Pan with the corner tray. No good.
Akala ko mag-free throw na naman, hindi pa pala.
Ayan na. Partner,
My bad.
nakikita ko na. Kakapasok lang ng pinaka-veteran. Kumbaga, he is the eldest sa ating liga na si Sir Remoto. Kakapasok lang on the part of San Jose. I guess he is 56 years old, sabi. But still, playing very in a competitive basketball.
Grabe. Age is not really,
Yes,
no,
tama.
sabi nila kasi pag bata ka daw, yun yung ideal stage para maglaro eh. Pero Sir Remoto, yes, showing, no, that age doesn't really matter.
Tama, hats off sa'yo, sir. Napaka-kondisyon pa.
Tama. Kaya pa ata nito hanggang 60.
Oo. Ayan na si Nagar.
And with that,
Romero intercepts the pass. Romero squeaks. No good. Rebound by Sanchez. Gives the ball to Nagar. Nagar with a crossover.
grabe ang
And the
breaker
Euro!
yun. Napakagandang tira. Napakagandang double drive.
Grabe naman yung crossover na yun. I-replay na ating magiting na direktor yan. Grabe.
Yan yung $1 million play. Pero
Sayang naman.
centavo shot.
Oo.
Sayang. Pero good showing still.
Kaya Sanchez. Corner 3. Mentes nakuha niya ang kanyang
Grabe,
rebound with the
pa rin.
spin.
The spin.
And using the
Nice.
glass for two.
Mukhang problema na talaga to ng Goa. No? Rebound plus their defense. Kasi okay naman yung offense nila. No, they can shoot outside and inside. Pero nag-struggle sila sa rebound.
And grabe naman yung sequence na yun, partner talaga. Grabe, pati ako nahilo dun sa spin na ginawa ni Sanchez.
Tama.
And using the glass for two.
Grabe ang mga footwork ng Team San Jose after that ankle breaker ni Nagar. We have the spin and point made by this one. And Surgeon nire-replay.
Yan kanina yung Hail Mary shot.
Hail Mary shot, no? From the board into the basket.
Yan, binangga ni Dwasa and tinapon. Tumama dun sa ating Ako Bicol sticker.
Yan.
At
Medyo
pasok.
swerte talaga pag tinatamaan yung
Oh,
yun yung
ayan na.
Igot 360.
Oo.
360 and into the air. Napakaganda.
Grabe.
Kasi it was almost a lost ball, pero na-retrieve niya. And knowing na siya din yung tumira before that.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Yan na. With 58 seconds remaining sa ating first half. Tingnan natin kung, I guess, merong ball pressure ang mga taga-Goa. And si Nagar gives the ball to Remoto.
Moto.
A turnover, Vivares.
Bares. Mukhang nahirapan maghanap kakampi kanina si Remoto.
Yes, so he's trying.
Pinalik niya sa...
Ayan na si Sanchez, another
And
turnover.
another one. Napagandang
Pan, fall
timeout
away.
yun for the side of Goa. And the crowd is going wild now. After that, 2 consecutive shots.
Pasibe for 3.
And
No
Pasibe.
good. Remoto with
Remoto,
offensive rebound for 2. Grabe talaga. All heart. Ayan na si Pan with 20 seconds remaining.
They corrected his mistake right away.
Pan, Pilapil.
Last ball possession.
With 13
Shot
seconds,
clock. Shot
rushing.
clock's up.
Nagar, attack, spin. Up and under.
Grabe.
No good. Ayan na si Remoto again with the offensive rebound. Pero Sapal, Pasibe open for 3. No good.
Grabe, gitgitan ang labanan.
Yes, that ends our first quarter. The score is 44-48 in favor of San Jose. Magbabalik po kami.
problema sa tubig, agarang binigyang solusyon. Nagpatayo ng mga solar-powered water supply system sa mga liblib na lugar. Libre, malinis at maaasahang supply ng tubig 24/7.
Ako lang ng pagpapasalamat niya mo. Dahil may ikamalilingan habang kami nabubuhay.
Nakulaon nining tabang para sa gabos na tao digdi. Salamat po.
Para sa ating mga kababayang nasa laylayan, Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Hindi rin nagpahuli sa pagtugon sa mga pangailangan ng ating mga healthcare workers at mga frontliners. Sa simula pa lang nitong pandemya, hanggang sa ngayon, walang humpayang pagtulong.
Ay, nagpapasalamat po ako sa pagtaon ng tabang hali sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Papasalamat kong dakula sa duwang congressman. Kayo nakakatabang sa miya sa gabi.
Maaasahan. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po arog po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada nang naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol. Tadakulaon ang tabang digdi sa muya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurug pa.
gagawin namin. Hatiin na lang daw. So ito ang nanalo, bigay na lang sa lahat. So tingnan. Mayor, medyo nalanganin kasi kanin sila. 3,000 daw sa akin, 3 na rin sa'yo para nag 1,000. Pwede na ba yun, Mayor? Oo, pwede na. Sa tingin 1,000 na kayo. Okay. Oh, isa na lang. Isang big boy na dyan. Sabay-sabay kayo lahat. Congratulations! Okay, maraming salamat sa suporta mga taga San Jose and Goa. Abangan nyo ang quarterfinals kung sino makakapasok. Maraming salamat.
Start of the second half, the third quarter of the game.
And we are back sa ating ball game. Labanang San Jose versus home team Goa. And what a first half, partner. Grabe, ang gandang laro kanina. Neck to neck ang kanilang labanan. And we'll see sa second half kung ano mga adjustments and pagbabago mangyayari sa ating laro.
Tama, partner, no? Overall, dominant ang San Jose for the first half, but nakapag-struggle at nakabawi ang Goa. But at the end, no, nag-end ulit tayo with a 4-point lead of San Jose. But nonetheless, no, sabi mo nga, neck to neck, Sir Jan, no, and Siso yung score nila. So tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari for the remaining half of the game.
And para sa ating mga leading scorers ng ating first half, si Vivares para sa Goa with 20 huge points. Grabe, partner. 2 rebounds, 2 assists, and 1 steal. And para naman sa San Jose.
Sa San Jose naman, partner, jersey number 77 si Nagar, 16 points and 3 rebounds. At hindi rin nagpahuli si Pasibe with 16 points. So pareha sila. Tig 16. No? Kung mananalo sila, sino kaya magbe-best player dito sa dalawa?
Marami tayong candidates for ating kasurog player of the ball game. And tingnan natin, abangan natin ang laro sa ating second half.
Yeah, they are pouring their hearts out. No, kung makikita natin sa mga ka-tune in lang, kita ng ating first half. Tingnan natin ang bakbakan ngayong third and fourth quarter.
Ayan na si Lozada, top of the key jumper, makes the first bucket sa ating second half.
Napakagandang opening on the side of Goa.
Ayan na si Nagar. May new adjustment si coach ng Goa. Guarding Nagar is Karurukan. AY body. Ayan na si Pasibe. Kicks it out to Solero. Ayan na si Nagar for 3. No good. Rebound by Solero. Gives the ball to Nagar with a Pinoy step. Yun na nga. Natawagan ng foul si Kadir doon sa atake ni Nagar. Nahampas ang kanyang bibig.
Yeah, Nagar was frustrated.
Yes.
It was a hard foul, I think.
He was hacked in the face, but he will troop to the line for 2.
But then again, no, San Jose is showing their good rebounds here.
Yes.
After a failed 3-point attempt, no, they were able to get the ball for a possession and an opportunity to point, but a foul was called.
Yes.
Ito na, fast break kay Goa.
Strep ni Pasibe. Ayan na.
Grabe
Fake.
naman to. Pasige.
Nagar.
Nagar connection.
Karurukan was called for a blocking foul pero hindi niya nagustuhan ang tawag. Tiningnan ng mga referees but nakita ng referees na medyo disadvantage doon sa positioning kaya natawagan ng foul.
Napakaganda. Hawkeye yun, partner.
Yes.
Magandang observation.
Ayan na si Solero. Inbounding.
And because of that, nagkaroon ng warning for technical ang bench ng Goa, if I'm not mistaken.
Ayan na si Pilapil against Kadir. Pilapil gives the ball to Nagar. May pick galing kay Pilapil. Nagar uses the pick against Karurukan. Nagar.
10 seconds to shoot.
Hands it off to Pasibe for 3. Misses the shot. Nakuha ni Michael Pan ang bola. And gives the ball to Losada. Losada crossing the half-court line. Stops. Lobs it up to Vivares with the undergo stab for 2. And 1.
Napakagandang atake yun on the side of Goa.
And good recognition the part of Losada. Nakita niya kanyang open teammate. Lobs the pass and that 3-point play is brought to you by Misibis Bay, Cagraray Islands.
Visit nyo po ang Misibis Bay, Cagraray Islands pag nagawin kayo ng bandang Albay. Albay ba o Legazpi, Sir Jan?
Albay. And siyempre, yung Misibis Bay na yan, siyempre, nakapunta na ako dyan, partner. Dahil sa ating butihing commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera. Magandang gabi sa iyo.
Magandang gabi, Sir Lloyd. Sana all.
Ay, madaling kausap ang ating butihing commissioner. And si Vivares did not complete the 3-point play.
Sayang, it was an opportunity to cut the lead.
Yes, and alamang pa rin ang San Jose. With a 1-point lead, yan na si Nagar directing traffic, pointing to Pasibe.
And they're maximizing the time.
Yes, yan na si Sanchez against Karurukan. Hands it up to Nagar. Baseline jumper. Kaboom! Grabe.
Grabe. It's the most difficult view there and angle. Pero nagawa pa rin ni Nagar. What a player.
Yes. Ayan na si Pasibe against Karurukan. Pasibe attacks. Bumps using the glass for 2. Grabe, all heart. Ang pinapakita ni Pasibe.
Yan, sabi niya kasi, pag pumuntos si Nagar, kailangan ko din pumuntos.
Oh, grabe nananalasa as early as third quarter. Ang mga guards ng mga taga San Jose. Ayan si Nagar. Kaso nabitawan ng bola. Michael Pan stops. Drops it up to Karurukan. Karurukan gives the ball to Quincy Pan. Ayan na si Karurukan. All alone for 3. Kaboom!
3-point shot made. That is brought to you by Hotel St. Elise. Napakagandang tira yun, no, to again make closer points to San Jose.
Again, Nagar.
Pero grabe ang consistency nito ni Nagar.
Yes, imposing his will sa loob talaga against much taller guys talaga. Pero yung determination ni Nagar to score is talaga nandyan.
Tama, sulit na sulit.
Yes.
Yung additional
Kadir
player.
with the lefty layup. Akala ko partner, idadunk na.
Oo nga.
Pero hinulog na lang sa ring. Ayan na si Nagar again.
Napakagandang connection yun at intercepted.
A turnover para kay Nagar. Ayan si Losada sa gitna. And he was fouled by number 27.
And so, habang nasa linya ang ating Team Goa, punta muna tayo kay Carmela with the assistant coach of Goa for her report. Carmela, take it away.
As we can see mga kasurog, sobrang init na labanan sa pagitan ng Team San Jose at Team Goa ngayong gabi. Ngayon kasama natin ang assistant coach ng Team Goa para malaman natin kung ano ba ang plan nila o mga gagawin upang mag-step up sa laro ngayon. So coach, good evening po. So coach, sa first half po you ended with a score of 44 points. Ngayon po second half, ano po ba yung balak nyo gawin para makuha nyo po yung momentum at mag-step up ngayong gabi?
Okay, good evening sa lahat ng viewers. Ang aming game plan is to pressure their guards. Kasi may mga galing silang guards ngayon, yung si Nakar at saka si Pasibe. Kailangan namin yung ma-sustain para hopefully makuha yung panalo ngayon.
So Coach, we are live sa mga ating social media platforms. May gusto mo ba kayong batiin o pasalamatan lalong-lalo na sa mga sumusuporta sa Team Goa?
Okay, mahaba yung dapat kong pasalamatan kasi nakadalawang laro kami hindi na-interview ngayon. First of all, kay Mayor Marcel Pan, sa ngayon na live nanonood ngayon. Kay Vice Mayor Binong Gonzaga at sa lahat ng kasama niya sa SB. Kay Mr. Ram and Manuel Azor ng Jacksonville. Kay Mr. Bobby De Vera, kay Engineer Pastor, Robel Pastor ng JRS Corporation, kay Capjoy Reganes sa Sisnibra family. Shout out na rin kay Joseph Agrabante at saka Giancarlo Grijalvo sa Prado at Abracan family. Yun lang po.
Alright, that's it. Maraming salamat, Coach, at good luck po sa laro nyo ngayong gabi. Ayan mga kasurog, nakausap na natin si Coach Pandoy Prado, ang coach ng Team Goa. Kaya yan muna ang latest update dito sa courtside. Magbabalik sa inyo, Coach John and Coach Zog.
Ayan na, yun na nga sinasabi nila, ang kanilang game plan is to pressure the guards because nga, there are good guards, kumbaga kailangan nilang pressurein. Kasi yun naman nga, ang nananalasa so far ngayon, si Pasibe and si Nagar.
Tama, and with that, just after the report, partner, ng assistant coach ng Goa, tabla ng muli ang Goa at San Jose.
Ayan na, Vivares attacking, Kadir with the offensive rebound, misses the shot. Ayan na si Losada again. With the offensive rebound, Vivar.
Lalaki pick sana. Pero
kaso natawagan ng offensive foul. Grabe partner yung sequence na yun. Grabe yung labanan sa rebounds ng both teams.
Opo, partner. Parang traveling ang tinawag kasi foul sana pero nauna na mag-signal.
Okay, nauna yung traveling infraction pala.
Oo.
So buti. It's a good turnover pa rin kasi kung foul yun against Vivares na naman.
Oo, delikado yun.
Ayan na si Pasibe. Momentarily loses the ball pero naka-recover.
And if you'll notice, partner, tumatalon na ngayon yung mga players ng Goa. Kaya gumaganda na tumitibay na rin yung rebound nila. Pero patuloy pa rin ang pananalasa ng San Jose.
Si Solero with the squeezing layup talaga over the outstretched arms ng mga big man. Ayan na si Karurukan. Swings the ball to Vivares. Gives the ball to Losada sa gitna. Losada drops it up to Kadir. Kaso mababa ang pasa. Ayan na si Nagar. 1-on-1 against Vivares. Nagar for 3. No good. Rebound by Alan Pasibe. Pasibe fakes. Pasibe gives the ball to Nagar with the fake. Up and under. With the kili-kili shot. Mintis. Kaso nakuha pa rin ni Nagar yung bola.
Magandang term yun, partner. Kili-kili shot.
Sanchez with a medium range jumper. Mintis. Solera.
Grabe.
What a sorry miss.
After 5 attempts.
Sayang yung tira ni Solero.
Parang these players from Goa are at the right position at the right time.
Tama.
Parang sinasalo lang nila yung bola nang walang kahirap-hirap for another attempt. So yun yung kailangan i-work out on the side of Goa.
Yes, meron tayong substitution on the part of Goa. Pinalitan si Losada. Napagod na. Pinasok ang number 4. Ang another big man na si Rico. To add firepower sa kanilang ilalim. Pero meron nakitang foul and as early as 5 minutes, penalty na
agad
ang San Jose and Kadir with troop to the line for 2.
Dangerous to sa side ng San Jose kasi they were pressing, and they are running. Mga runners sila. Pero their momentum will be stopped because napakaagang penalty ito on their side. So opportunity ito ng Goa para makabawi.
And ayan na. Merong mga drums at mga cymbals sa dala ang Team San Jose to distract the shot of Kadir kaya nagbunga.
Para makabawi, kailangan nilang i-secure yung free throws.
Kasi may home court advantage talaga. Ayan na si Nagar, bumps. Kadir, grabe naman. Yung bump ni Nico Nagar over the big man na si Kadir. Grabe yung determinasyon ng batang ito.
Nagar, the giant slayer.
Oo, ayan na. Pan, fakes. Gives the ball to Kadir. Top of the key 3.
Kadir showing that he can shoot from in and out. Pero wala.
No good. Ayan na. Si Nagar.
Ulit. And there was an action on the side.
May offensive foul ay natawag kay number 6 na si Pino. Nakita ng ating mga referees na tinulak niya si Consipan kaya natawagan ng offensive foul.
And of course, the best of the best ng mga referee natin, the SBP.
Tama, headed by syempre ang ating butihing commissioner na si Eman Faraon, who is always in the venue to watch and to lead the referees. Yan na si Michael Pan for 3. Kaboom!
And that 3 points brought to you by Hotel Venetia. Napakagandang 3-point yun. And another opportunity for Goa. Good hustle, pero I think that's out of bounds already.
Kita mo naman kung paano mag-dive si Consipan.
Tama kasi napaka-importante bawat ball possession dito. lalo na't git-gitan, partner, ang labanan.
Ayan na, si Solera with the spin. Kaso intercepted by Karurukan, kaso nakatawag ng foul.
Kanino kaya i-award ang foul?
And as early as 3 minutes, penalty situation ng San Jose. And yung go will just 3 team fouls pa lang. So may 2 team foul para maging penalty. And si Sanchez.
Good and clean defense on the side of Goa. San Jose.
Yan, napasive, hands it off to Nagar. May pick galing kay Sanchez. Nagar against Rico, ginugulo. Double team.
Double team. Yun yung kailangan nilang gawin kanina pa. And a Dipsido layup.
Ayan na.
Ayan na, natulala na lang si Nagar. Kasi parang walang bumaba.
Oo, ayan na si Nagar.
With that,
against big guards ng Goa.
With that, Sir John, Goa is on the lead now.
Yes, oo, lamang na ng 1 point ang Goa. But still, tingnan mo naman yung composure ng isang Nagara. Despite nag-turnover siya, calmly na tinawid niya pa rin ang bola papunta sa kanilang goal.
So we can really never tell who will win this competition. Sino kaya ang sasama sa sangay to represent the 4th district. And again with that, ito na yung sinasabi ko, kailangan ng Goa ng mga fast break. That fast break and layup was brought to you by Highlands.
Ayan na. A costly turnover on the part of Pino. Yung handoff niya medyo malamya. Kaya nakita ng mga malibilis at malalakas na guards ng Goa and utilizing ayan na si Consipan with all alone with an easy layup.
And good timeout on the end of San Jose to stop the momentum.
Yes,
kasi
a much needed timeout to stop the bleeding talaga. Kasi nananalasa na so far ang Team Goa.
Out of nowhere yung sunod-sunod puntos ng Goa. So tingnan natin if the momentum will be on their favor, on San Jose's favor after calling a timeout, or magpapatuloy sa pananalasa itong players ng Team Goa. So kapit lang sa mga nanonood sa atin. Again, napapanood po tayo sa Facebook ng ating butihing congressman, si Congressman Saldico ng Ako Bicol Online TV. Meron din po tayong TikTok and YouTube channel na pwede po tayong panoorin doon. At sa mga hindi na makapasok sa venue kasi punong-puno na, meron tayong LED track
sa labas ng ating venue. Ayan na, meron ulit pressure defense. Ini-impose ang mga taga-Goa. But John Nico Nagar calmly na itawid ang bola. Yan ang Nagar. Open for 3. No good. Nakuha ni Soler. Solera pasibe. Corner 3. Kaboom!
Grabe. Ito na naman sa fast break. Recognizing that they can do fast break. Medyo pagod na kasi. Babad to si Nagar at si Pasibe.
Oo, tama. Pero after that 3-point shot ni Pasibe, wala na after that celebration. Nakatulog ng konti and na-recognize kagad ng big man na nandun na sa harap si Consipan. Kaya binigay kagad yung outlet pass.
Tama. And I think ito yung ipagpapatuloy na strat ng Goa. They will keep on pressing and running on this remaining 2 minutes or 3 minutes of the third period kasi mukhang exhausted na ng konti ang players ng San Jose.
Ayan na. Consipan with his second free throw. Calmly sinks the free throw despite yung mga cymbals and drums na binibigay ng mga taga San Jose.
Merong power na sinisend kasi yung mga audience nila from Goa. And double team na nga si Nagar.
Ayan na, Solera. Solera
with
the Pinoy step. Grabe. Solera with the layup. Ayan na si Plaza rushing against Pino. Plaza gives the ball to Vivares against Nagar.
Yan naman yung danger ng double team partner. May iwan mo yung
ayan na si Padua attacking Solera pero tapal and grabe medyo gigil.
Against all odds.
Oo. Kaya nasapal. Tingnan natin kung saan mapupunta ang possession. And the score is 64 all with 2 minutes and 24 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Alright, tingnan natin who will gain the advantage at the end of the third period.
Michael Pan for 3. Kaboom!
Napagandang momentum ang pinapakita dito ng Goa. And another interception with a quick pass. Pero
buti na lang andun si Sanchez to stop the streaking fast break.
Tama, that was
Goa.
1 against 3 sana kung hindi na yun nasungkit.
That is a good defense on the part of Sanchez. Ayan na, si Padua. Padua was fouled by number 6, si John Filipino. And Padua will go to our charity stripe for 2 free throws.
Yan Padua, maximizing his presence inside. Kanina pa siya atake ng atake sa loob.
Kita mo ng partner yung katawan niya, hindi ka ba atake?
Oo, very familiar face na. If I'm not mistaken, one of the players of the Naga College Foundation ito si Padua.
Kaya naman pala is very used to this kind of ball game, yung mga pressured ball games talaga.
4 times champion sila sa sa isang liga.
Nako po, hindi naman tayo that experience of 4-time champion is very good experience to these players. Ayan na. Solera with the rebound.
Grabe ang pag-double team nila.
And ayan na. Nagar, stop for 3. Kaboom!
Grabe! Parang sniper. May teleskopyo ba ito si Nagar kanina pa?
Oo, ayan na. Michael Pan again, sasagot sa kanyang 3 points. Mentes nakuha ni Vivares. Fakes against Sanchez. Sanchez strips the ball. Pan again for 3. Kaboom!
And this is a battle of 3-pointer. Yan, nagsiselebrate si Kagawad on the side. After seeing that flawless 3-point shot. Ito na. Nakaka-pressure na ang sigawan ng mga crowd. Pero heart strong pa rin ang ating San Jose players despite the disadvantage on the venue.
Yes, tama. Yung 6th man ay buhay na buhay dito sa ating venue to cheer the home team Goa. Ayan na. Si Nagar heavily guarded na ni Vivares. Pero tingnan natin kung anong adjustments ang mga binigay ng coaches, playing coach na si Ruel Postrado who's giving instructions sa kanyang mga players.
Tingnan natin if San Jose will gain points here kasi kung hindi, lolobo ang alamangan itong Team Goa with a 4-point lead already. And that's traveling. That's a costly mistake for a veteran player.
Pero di siya aware na traveling doon kaya medyo nagreklamo siya. But still, alam naman natin yung mabubuting referees natin na talagang makikita yung mga violations na yan.
Tama. Kasi minsan unconscious tayo sa mga ginagawa natin.
Yes.
So they are here to, of course, remind and police us of our mistakes.
Ayan na si Plaza with the free throw jumper. Mentes, ayan na Sanchez. Pasibe all alone against Vivares. What a fake. Ayan na si Pasibe again using the glass. Pero ay sorry miss on the part of Pasibe.
Sana yun. As rejected. And an alley-oop attempt. That was too ambitious. Madadala sila ng laro. They should have played calmly.
Exactly 1 minute sa ating third quarter. Grabe yung nakaraang sequence. Talaga neck-to-neck battle. Ayan na si Nagar against Pa. Nagar spins.
Grabe na double team na si Nagar.
Gives the ball to Sanchez. Sanchez bumps. And binump ni Rico. Natawagan ng foul. And I guess both teams are in the penalty. So si Sanchez will troop to the line for 2. And will try to increase the lead. Hindi, lamang pala San Jose to cut the lead into 2 ng mga taga-Goa.
Tingnan natin kung siswertehin dito sa tinatawag mong charity line.
Ayan na.
Yung sinasabi nating sumpa pag ina-anticipate yung points.
Kaya wag na nating batiin. At baka tayo po maging sanina pagkatalo ng isang team. Kaya si Sanchez, Richie Sanchez, for his second free throw. Calmly sinks the second one. And the score is 71-68 in favor pa rin ng mga naka-violet jerseys.
Team Goa, 3-point lead.
Ayan na si Plaza.
8 seconds to play in the third quarter.
Ayan na, dinidare nila tumira ng 3-point shot si Plaza. And ayan na si Plaza, gives the ball to Ponzi Pan. Pan for 3. Kaboom!
Grabe naman talaga.
Nagar again, sasagot ng 3 points.
What a shot!
Grabe, very entertaining and very wild ang crowd natin ngayon sa ating Goa.
Tama, you hit me with a 3, I'll hit you back with a 3.
Ayan na, Consi Pan again.
And another one!
Kaso natawagan ng illegal pick. Ang number 6, nakakapasok lang na si Oscar Lim Jr. Sayang, a turnover, bad turnover on the part of Goa.
Tama, this is a very important ball possession kasi we have 10 seconds remaining without a shot clock. So tingnan natin kung mako-convert nila ito into points.
Nagar spins, kicks it out. Pilapil fakes again. Nagar. And that ends our third quarter. Ladies and gentlemen, grabe partner yung sequence na yun.
Napakagandang laban, partner. Back-backan, no? Shoot a layup, they will shoot back. Shoot a 3, and they will shoot a 3.
Yes,
no,
grabe palitan ng 3-pointers. Pero lamang pa rin ang Goa, 74-71. Pero grabe yung pinakita. Puso ng mga players.
Tama, napakagandang start yun, no? The first bucket was made by Team Goa. At very, very good yung momentum na ipinakita nila on this third quarter. For the first 2 period, Sir Jan, dominant yung San Jose. Pero kung boxing round ito, bibigay ko yung third quarter sa Team Goa.
Tama kasi doon sila nakahabol sa mga 3-pointers na buti konsi natin na si Michael Pan. Talagang he is showcasing his talent sa kanyang mga constituents here sa Goa.
Tama, is answering the challenge. Kanina, no, back-to-back points ni Nagar at ni Pasibe. No, parang single-handed niya lang na ginagawa. He's trying to make a revenge against these two. So, tingnan natin yung mga best players natin so far, or top scorers natin so far. As we were saying, on the side of Goa, now Pan is leading with 24 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, and a steal. No, napakagandang stat for Counselor Pan. At on the side naman of San Jose, still leading with 29 points and 3 rebounds si Nagar. And 21 points si Pasibe. So that's 2 dominant players against 1. But I think kanina si Vibares, no, showcasing his skill as well.
Yes, that 1-2 punch ng mga guards ng San Jose with the likes of Pasibe and Nagar talagang taking over sa kanilang mga team.
Tama, and napakaganda ng connection nila. If one fails an attempt, the other one will put it into the basket.
Ayan na si Nagar.
So ito na, Sir Jan, ang nahuling 10 minuto ng do-or-die match.
A turnover by Pilapil. Losada against Pasibe. Misses the shot, Karurukan with the offensive rebound. Grabe yung sequence na yun, na turnover ni Pilapil. And naka-convert, ayan na, si Plaza, muntik na maagawan.
Tama, it was a very important points kasi ball possession ng San Jose yung start ng fourth quarter, pero Goa yung first bucket. So tingnan natin if ma-continue nila itong momentum at the end of the game.
Ayan na, si Nagar, heavily guarded by Plaza.
Grabe, minaman-to-man na.
Sanchez hands it off to Nagar. Nagar, yun na nga. Natawagan kagad, and as early as 9 minutes, meron na kagad dalawang foul. Ang Team Goa. This is not a good sign on the part of Goa.
Tama. Baka magka-foul trouble tayo or mag-penalty ulit tayo at 5 minutes. Pero tingnan natin, baka it would serve as a lesson to be good, have a strong defense, but not to be too aggressive.
Ayan na si Nagar against Plaza. Nagar. Pilapil. Fake pass. Sanchez. Under goal stop. Beating the buzzer. Grabe.
Napakagandang ball movement yun on the side of San Jose.
Tama ka. Lahat ng 5 players nakahawak ng bola. Ayan na si Lim. Open for 3. Air balls. Give the ball to Nagar. Nagar. Ayan na.
Ito na. An opportunity for San Jose to crawl back.
Ayan na si Nagar.
Nagar against 2. Pushes hard.
Ayan na. Ayan na. Muntik na maagaw. That defense. Grabe. Pesky defense on the part of Plaza. Ayan na. Signaling his coach na papalitan niya kasi talaga napapagod siya in guarding si Nagar.
Oh, pero ito si Nagar nakakabilib kasi first quarter pa lang andito na siya sa loob.
Kaya nga. Ayan na si Nagar attacking.
Grabe ang bodega.
Oo. Pilapil. Attack. Pilapil. Hands it up to Lozano. And grabe. Talaga si Solero. Ito si Solera, yung mga unsung heroes ng Team San Jose na talagang nandyan lang sa ilalim, pahintay-hintay ng pasa pero very effective pag nasa loob ng court.
Of course, maximizing his height and jump to get the rebounds and to strike when there's an opportunity. Tingnan natin on the line if it's that effective as well.
Yun na nga, nagantimpalaan ang sipag ng isang Solero and sinks na first free throw. And with 8 minutes and 34 seconds sa ating do-or-die game, lamang ang San Jose, Goa ng 2 puntos.
And Goa
76-74.
With the ball possession, mukhang grabe na ang bakbakan, nagkakainitan at grabe ang contact.
Ayan na, Kadir with the floater.
Slightly rejected.
Ayan na, si Nagar. Swings the ball to Pasibe. Corner 3. No good. Ayan na naman si Solera. Gives the ball to... nakuha ni Solera. Attacking 2 defenders. Ayan na again. Undergo stop.
Grabe with a smile on his face.
Yes. After that shot, talaga nakangiti siya dahil alam na naisa niya 2 big man ng Goa.
Napakagandang compliment yung binigay mo kanina sa kanya, Sir Jan. Parang narinig niya at na-motivate siya.
And we are now tabla sa ating laro. Ayan ang Losada with the lefty layup. Nakakuha pa ng foul.
Grabe talaga. No, you will never know who will win this game. That shot is brought to you by Misibispe, Cagraray Island. Napakagandang play yun, no?
Oo, grabe.
Yun yung parang semi-kilikili shot.
Oo, tama, oo. I guess talaga paborito niya because he is a lefty. So talagang pumabor noong time na yon. Kaya, and now, Losada, hindi niya nakompleto.
And wala ding jumper, no? Because they were confident that he will sink that 3-point play.
Ayan na si Pilapil. Binigay kay Solera. And Nagar, nadulas. Nagar.
There was a foul kasi nasa likod.
Yes.
Nasa likod si Vivares.
Natawagan ng foul.
And I think, pang-ilan na ni Vivares? Pang-tatlo ata. Pangalawa or pangatlo?
Pangatlo kasi si coach signaling na he has 3 fouls. And,
kasi binabantayan talaga nila si Vivares.
And again, isang foul na lang and Goa will be in the penalty situation.
But I think this is very risky na si Vivares ang pinapabantay nila kinagar. No?
Yes.
Kasi he's good on the offense. So,
baka
mapagod agad.
Yes, come late situations talaga baka maubusan ng gas because he's doing it all for Goa.
Tama. But I think the coach knows better. So,
yes.
I think kaya pa nga ata maglaro ng 3 game nito. Vivares.
Ganun ka-kondisyon ng mga players na ito.
So, these are all-star players. No? Sa tingin nyo, medyo nag-struggle sila pumuntos. It's because the defense of their opponents are very great as well. So, hindi basta-basta mga player dito. Kumbaga mga generation of miracles ng kanya-kanyang munisipyo. So yan, habang inaayos natin nililinis natin ang court. So again, napapanood tayo sa YouTube channel ng Ako Bicol at sa Facebook ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Online TV.
Ayan na si Nagar again, heavily guarded by Vivares. Ayan na, Nagar, fakes, kaso nakawagan ng traveling, medyo nadulas na doon. Pero sayang, no fake. Muntik na makatakas ulit.
Highlight sana yun kung naipasok niya yung bola na yun.
Yes, and si Vivares against Alan Pasibe. Losada drops it off to Kadir. Grabe, good recognition on the part of Losada. Finding his big man. Rewarding his big man. Ayan na, lamang na ulit ng 4 na puntos ng Goa.
Goa na ngayon ang nanlalamang against San Jose.
Nagar, pull-up jumper. Ayan na si Sanchez, missing the point blank. And ayan na Mintes ulit. Pasibe grabs the rebound. Binomba. Short stop, Sanchez again, misses the shot.
5 attempts,
ayan
wala
na si
pa rin.
Pasibe for 3.
And the 6th attempt, still no luck. Mukhang inaalat naman. Baka dito sa court, umaalat dito sa side na to.
And Vivares swings the ball to Rico. No good. Kadir with the offensive rebound and 1.
And the crowd goes wild after making that shot. So I think the exhaustion of pressing too hard kanina, nagpapakita na on the side of San Jose. Now, while there's a timeout, punta muna tayo kay Carmela para sa kanyang report. Carmela, the floor is yours.
talaga namang do or die ang labanan na ito, sabi ni Coach Pandoy Prado ng Goa. Kanina nga sa huddle na pag-usapan nila, they really have the advantage here, lalong-lalo na home court nila ito. Kaya dapat mas siguraduhin nila ang kanilang bawat galaw at kilos sa laro ngayon. Lalong-lalo na ang Team San Jose hindi basta-basta nagpapatalo dahil this match is the key to the next round. Dagdag pa ng Team Goa, they have to stop the guards of the Team San Jose para naman mas maging flexible na ang kanilang ball rotation dito sa ating fourth quarter. On the other hand, Team San Jose is struggling a little bit dito sa ating second half. Ayon sa kanila, may mga errors sila na dapat nilang ayusin, lalong-lalo na nagiging unstoppable na rin daw ang Team Goa. Kaya this time, mas dodoblihin nila ang kanilang pagtrabaho at walang masayang na mga puntos. That's the latest update. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat sa Carmela sa kanyang update. And as we take a look, si Kadir trying to complete his 3-point play. And adding sa kanilang lamang with 82 and 76, pabor sa kanila.
Tama yung sabi ni Carmela, partner, no? Unstoppable force. No? A force to be reckoned with ang Goa ngayong third and fourth quarter.
Ayan na, meron ng 7 puntos na kalamangan ang Goa. And ayan na, Losada. And now, yan ang partner na kinakatakutan ng Team Goa. Goa is now in the penalty. So 6 minutes pababa talaga. Every foul is a free throw para sa mga taga San Jose.
So dapat pasiguro ang mga titira dito. But again, we can never tell. Kasi of course, they're all exhausted. At the same time, yan, medyo mahirap din tumira on the line.
Yan na, James Solera will troop to the line for 2. And ayan na, hearing it sa Goa crowd. And Kamle sings the free throw. Sabay iling-iling.
Grabe with that pressure, no? All eyes are watching.
Tama.
Pero wala siyang pakialam, no? Focus on the ball game and then tingin later.
Ayan now again. 2 for 2. Mintis pala. Ayan na si Vivares.
So yun na nga pag nababati ang tira.
Oo, ayan na. Vivares pointing to Losada. Gives the pick. Vivares kicks it out. Karurukan. Karurukan was called for a double dribble violation.
So he failed to make the shot or to make the pass.
Yes, that is a good defense pa rin. Contesting that shot kaya nag-force ng turnover ang mga taga-Goa. Ayan na si Nagar against a much taller Vivares. May pick galing kay Pilapil. Ayan na. Vivar. Humihingi ng isolation si pero Solera sa ilalim. Solera. Ayan na naman. Yung sinasabi ko sa iyo, partner.
Grabe, very strong inside.
Yung pwesto-pwestuhan ni Solera sa ilalim.
So I think their team is trying now to secure 2 points inside rather than throwing balls from beyond the arc.
Yes, tama ka. Ayan again. Ayan na naman si Solera sa ating charity stripe. At yun na nga. Sinks the first one. And sabay tingin ulit sa crowd ng Goa.
Para saying, sige, scream all you can, taunt me all you can. I'll sink this ball, regardless.
And again,
we can hear the crowd shouting and taunting.
Yun nga, 2 for 2. In the part of Solera.
This time, he secured it. Yes. 4 na puntos na lang, partner.
Cutting the lead of Goa to 4 points only. And si Karurukan against Masibe. Rico gives the ball to Losada. Ayun na nga, nahuli. Ang 2-man game ay na si Karurukan. Intercepts the pass. Karurukan against Solera. Stops and pops for 2. No good. Sanchez completes the rebound. Ayan na si Nagar. Nagar. Long trick. In and out. Sayang noon, partner.
Mukhang pagod na ang mga players ng San Jose.
Solera.
Dalawa lang yung nasa baba kanina.
Vivares. For 2.
While eto na nga yung advantage ng deep bench ng Goa. Parang hindi pa napapagod. Takbo ng takbo at good ball movement on the side of Goa.
Ayan na si Pilapil against Losada. Pilapil attacking Losada. Pilapil gives the ball to Sanchez. Medium range jumper. Mintis. Ayan na si Vivares.
Ito na mukhang
Vivares attacking. Kicks it out to Rico. Rico attacking. Using the glass for 2.
What a play by Goa. Slowly, they are securing every points for their team. Pero itong Team San Jose nag-struggle to secure points.
Good defense on the part of Vivares, forcing Janico Nagar doon sa turnover. Medyo it's a case, feeling ko, it's a case of kulang na sila ng hangin dahil pagod na yung mga
Tama.
taga San Jose.
And of course, the mental struggle as well na kailangan nila maghabol. So the desperation and the exhaustion are now showing off on the side of San Jose.
Ayan na si Kadir, humingi sa post with a floater. Grabe naman yun!
Grabe naman yung floater na yun. That floater is brought to you by Hotel Venetia.
Mala floater ni Mac Cardona yun. Ayan na Nagar, ha? Nagar has the ball at top of the key. Attacking, Nagar, step back 3. No good, yun na nga, medyo inaalat na.
And
si
without
Nagar.
realizing it, 2-digit lead na, partner, ang kalamangan ng Goa.
Tama, and I guess, San Jose. Ayan na si Kadir, top of the key 3, Mintis. Ayan na Rico with the offensive rebound and the putback, Mintis. Solera.
Rico was
3
asking,
against Solera. Nagar against Karurukan and was called for steps.
and that's his third traveling foul. Very costly mistake since the second quarter.
Yes, Goa now has a 9-point lead. And but still very manageable on the part of San Jose. Pero tingnan natin with last 3 minutes and 55 seconds remaining sa huling yugto ng ating laro. Bebares slowly wasting clock. Ayan na si Bebares, may pick galing kay Duasa.
Good utilization of the shot clock.
Rico again attacking, using again the glass for 2.
Favorite shot, but this time on the other side.
And now,
unpredictable.
meron na tayong double-digit lead on the part of Goa. And hindi na utilize ng mga taga San Jose na Goa is now in the penalty. They should attack and take it strong to the basket. Ayan na, Mintis again yung open tira.
Tama, pero they keep on shooting
Yes, yun
from
na nga.
the outside. Hoping they could take a shortcut in cutting this lead. Pero hindi sila siniswerte.
Yes, ayan na, Vivares may pick galing kay Kadir. Vivares takes it out to Rico again. Ayan na si Rico again. Floater! Grabe naman yung tira.
That shot was brought to you by Highlands.
That's 6 straight points para kay
Kay
Rico talaga.
Grabe naman yun.
Pinapin
And
for 3.
another attempt.
No
Medyo wala
good.
talaga. No, you cannot pull a rabbit out of a hat.
Oh, tama ka dyan.
Kung wala talaga, wag ipilit. Pero I think with the widening lead, yun na lang yung last resort na naisip nila.
Ayan na si Karurukan. Wasting clock, long 3. Kaboom!
Eto na! Adding insult to the injury.
Yes.
Grabe naman yun. Parang nasugatan na nga, nilagyan mo pa ng asin.
Yan na nga, kumbaga that
Eto
is
na,
I guess.
nagsisiuwian na partner yung ibang audience.
Tama, I guess that is the nail in the coffin para sa mga taga Goa.
Oh, pero we can never tell, no? That's still 2 minutes.
Yes, pero yung body language kasi, ayan na, Siniduasa again. Gives the ball to Rico. Intercepted, and then si Pilapil.
Ayan,
Pilapil attacking with the up and under, kaso Mintis.
Rejected.
Nagar.
Narinig natin sa ating arena announcer, no?
Ayan na si
Yung,
Nagar
2 minutes.
misses the 3 points. Pasibe, top of the key 3. Yun na nga, partner. That is the story of our fourth quarter. Medyo inalat at minalas na ang San Jose.
Ito na yung
Galing
sinasabi
sa
natin.
ating 3-point country.
Tama, ito yung sinasabi natin kanina, no, na we can really never tell who will win this basketball game. And I think, tamang-tama yung mga bandera sa labas ng municipal covered courts to congratulate them if ever they win this last elimination game, the do-or-die game.
Ayan na si Rico, attacking again. Rico misses the layup. Ayan na si Nagar, gives the ball to Pasibe. Pasibe for 3. Maala talaga. And kita mo talaga. And on that possession talaga na makikita mo na si Lady Luck napunta na talaga sa mga taga-Goa.
Dito na. Home court advantage plus the luck. So, but of course, highlighting their skills and good team chemistry.
Yes, yun naman talaga na naigis. Basketball is a team game. So talagang, yun talaga ang dapat.
They waited patiently. No, kanina, for the first half, sila yung naghahabol. Pero they strike in the third and fourth quarter. So, good utilization of the players as well. So, kumbaga, though merong highlight player like Vivares and Pan, most of them are working really hard for their teams.
And si Nagara almost using the clock na lang, and I guess yun na nga.
And they are now congratulating each other.
And syempre, kudos pa din. Special mention tayo kay John Nico Nagar for pouring his hearts out dito sa laro. And syempre, congratulations sa mga taga-Goa for winning this game. And they will advance sa ating second round of elimination kasama ang Team Sangay sa ating 4th District.
Tama, partner. At ito na nga, ang ating mga mag-a-advance sa 5 distrito ng Camarines Sur. Sa 1st District, we have Lupi and Del Gallego. Sa 2nd District naman, meron tayong San Fernando and Milaor.
And sa 3rd District naman, Naga Kamaligan. Sa 4th District, ayan na, Sangay and Goa. And sa ating 5th District, ang Iriga versus Dabua. Sorry.
Ito yung kapanapanabik na labanan na mangyayari sa June 1 agad. No, magkakaroon tayo ng draw lots kung sino maglalaban-laban. And magbabakbakan na itong mga top 2 natin per district.
Again, maraming salamat. On behalf of Ako Bicol Party List and Congressman Saldico, maraming salamat for supporting Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. And while waiting for our Kasurug Best Player of the Game, batiin ko na ang aking mga magulang na nanonood na si Mama Grace and Ray Bachiller, sa aking mga anak na si Juan Carlos and Franco Miguel. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Thank you for watching.
Happy viewing po sa inyo. Shoutout din sa mga katrabaho ko dyan sa Ateneo na nanonood. No, shoutout Mama Che and Ma'am Pauli. No, shoutout po sa inyong lahat. So, ayan, thank you again, no, hindi lang sa mga tumulong, pati na rin sa inyong mga sumubaybay kasi this is the 30th day of Ako Bicol Cup and this is the last day of the elimination rounds. Of course, brought to you by Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa.
And again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood sa ating game venue. Talaga, grabe.
Punong-puno.
Yung suporta na binigay ng mga taga-Goa and ng mga taga-San Jose dito sa ating laro. And syempre, the name is John Bachillera. Bringing you this game with me is my partner
Angelo Espinacibia.
And we'll see you sa second round and we'll wait for Carmela kung sino hihirangin kasurog player of the ball game natin.
Sa tingin mo, Sir Jan, sino kaya?
Marami tayong candidates, especially
Pan Vivares.
Yes, si Pan who spearhead the third quarter sa Team Goa. And syempre, very consistent na si Vivares from the start up to the finish.
Okay, sino kaya sa dalawa ang hihiranging best player? So inaantay lang natin ang ating stat.
Marami, and special mention din kay Rico for giving a spark sa fourth quarter. Talaga grabe yung pagpasok ni Rico noong fourth quarter.
Tama, sunod-sunod na 2-point yun, no? And I think that was the momentum, no? the leading effort created by Rico to give the momentum to the Team Goa.
Yes.
Dito sa court, tuwang-tuwa si Councilor.
And syempre, kudos pa rin sa mga taga San Jose for giving a good fight ngayong gabi. Talagang despite they're out of contention, but still talagang binigay na o binuhos nila yung lahat sa larong ito.
Tama, no? Parang Game 7 Heat Celtics.
Abangan natin ng Game 7 na yan. Pero mas abangan natin ang ating second round of eliminations.
Tama. That's on June 1, mga kaibigan. So stay tuned. Click nyo na ang notification bell sa Facebook at YouTube channel natin, no, para mapanood nyo agad ang unang round ng ating second round ng Ako Bicol Cup. Pasalamatan din natin, Sir Jan, ang ating mga sponsors.
Sige.
We have the Mississippi Bay, Cagaray Island, the Highlands Legazpi Subdivision, the Hotel St. Elise, and Hotel Venetia. Thank you so much po sa ating mga butihing sponsors.
And yan, nakikita ko na si Carmela kasama ang ating kasurog best player of the ball game. Yan na, while waiting for the cues, ang ating butihing director na si Direk Christian. And behalf of Ako Bicol Party List and Congressman Saldico, maraming salamat talaga.
Yeah, thank you so much po for bringing the game to the Camarines Sur municipalities and city. So thank you for burning our hearts with passion in basketball.
And eto na, bigay na natin ang sahig sa ating courtside reporter with our kasurog best player of the ball game.
And now, I'm with the Kasurug player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Rafael Vivares, garnering 26 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists, and 4 steals. First of all, Rap, congratulations. What a game. Grabe yung pinakita mong laro ngayong gabi. So ano ba yung naging motivation mo sa laro ngayon?
Sipag lang, tiyaga, motivate sa kakampi, na nadadown, motivate, tapos dedication lang sa laro. Yun lang.
Matanong ko lang, ano ba yung nararamdaman mo ngayon? Ninyo as a team na ngayon, meron na kayong sure slots sa ating next round.
Masayang masaya dahil kahit naka-advantage yung kalaban, dalawang panalo dapat ang aming makamit, ay nanalo pa rin kami.
And ano ba yung dapat naming abangan para sa Team Goa sa mga susunod na laro nyo dito?
Abangan nyo po ang exciting na laro namin at kahit underdog kami, lalaban po kami sa mga magiging kabracket namin.
Maraming salamat, Rap. Meron ka bang gustong batiin o pasalamatan? This is your chance. Go ahead.
Salamat po kay Mayor Marcel Espanza sa walang tigil na suporta sa amin, saka kay Attorney Francis Papi Capadua at sa aking ina, girlfriend at kapatid at sa mga naniniwala sa akin. Thank you.
Alright, that's it. Maraming salamat and once again, congratulations. On behalf of Representative Zaldico, Ako Bicol Party List, Ako Bicol Tournament Commissioner Lord Rivera, Technical Head Christian Calyela, at sa mga ating panels. And this is your courtside reporter, Carmela Hernandez. Maraming salamat mga kasurog sa patuloy na pag-antabay at pagsuporta sa Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur. This is the end of our basketball matchup for tonight. Good night.